people hit six figures this year. Same age, same city, same paycheck. One of them feels rich. The other checks their bank account before buying groceries. So what actually changed? Because it's not the income. We've been sold this idea for decades. Make $100,000 a year, and you've made it. That used to be true. Today, it's one of the most misleading financial milestones you can chase. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. Person A hits 100K and celebrates too early. They upgrade the apartment, start eating out more, maybe finance a nicer car. Nothing crazy, just normal life improvements. Person B hits 100K and changes almost nothing. Same lifestyle, same habits, same spending. Fast forward 1 year. One of them is still stuck. The other is quietly building freedom. Here's the uncomfortable truth. $100,000 doesn't make you rich anymore. It just changes the game you're playing. After taxes, that six-figure salary shrinks fast. You're not taking home 100K. More like 70K, or even closer to 60K, depending on where you live. Now divide that monthly, and suddenly your rich salary feels very average. Then something subtle happens. Your lifestyle starts upgrading automatically. Not because you're irresponsible, but because everything around you gets more expensive. Better neighborhoods, better expectations, better normal. Your environment quietly demands more from you. This is where most people lose. Not because they don't earn enough, but because their expenses grow at the same speed as their income, or faster. Think about this. You finally make six figures. But rent takes a bigger chunk. Childcare wipes out savings. Small emergencies feel stressful. And suddenly, you're earning more than ever, but feel no different. That's the trap. Not being broke, but being fully committed. Every dollar already has a job before it even hits your account. And here's the part nobody tells you. Making more money doesn't make you feel rich. Having margin does. The gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is everything. Because once that gap disappears, it doesn't matter if you make 50K, 100K, or 300K. You'll still feel stuck. So, if you ever cross $100,000, don't treat it like a finish line. Treat it like a test. A test of whether you can control your lifestyle, protect your margin, and delay the upgrades everyone else rushes into. Because the people who actually become wealthy aren't the ones who earn more. They're the ones who keep more without needing more. And the moment you understand that, that's when money finally starts working for you.